In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add JavaScript to your Wix website. Adding JavaScript can greatly enhance the functionality and interactivity of your site, allowing you to deliver a richer experience for your visitors. While this feature is a fantastic way to bring your Wix website to life, it's important to note that it is only available for premium plans on Wix. So, if you're on a premium plan, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Wix account and open the site editor for the website you'd like to enhance with custom code. Once you're in the editor, take a look at the left panel. Here, you will see a list of options that help you customize different aspects of your site. You'll want to click on the Settings option to expand its features. The Settings menu is your gateway to configuring a wide range of options, and in this case, it will guide you to where you can add your custom JavaScript. After clicking on Settings, scroll down through the menu options until you find Development and Integrations. This section is a powerful hub that provides access to several customization and development tools within Wix. You'll want to select Custom Code from this area. This is where you get to unleash the full potential of JavaScript on your website. Now, if you're on a premium plan, congratulations. You're eligible to take advantage of this feature. To add your JavaScript, you'll simply click on Add Custom Code. This action will prompt an interface where you can paste in JavaScript code that you, or perhaps a developer, have written to amplify your site's capabilities. As you add your code, keep in mind the effect you want to achieve. Whether it's improving the visitor engagement through interactive elements or optimizing the back-end processes, custom JavaScript can significantly alter the way users perceive and interact with your site. Be deliberate with the code you integrate, ensuring it's clean and well-tested to prevent any unexpected site behavior. If you're not familiar with coding, it may be useful to consult a JavaScript developer to help craft the functionalities you desire. Once your custom code is set up, don't forget to hit Save, and voila! Your Wix website now has added capabilities through JavaScript. This small addition can make a big difference in the overall user experience and can even contribute to longer visits and higher engagement rates. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add JavaScript to your Wix website. Feel free to explore different scripts, customize functionalities, and create a more dynamic and engaging online presence. Thank you for watching and happy coding.